Beneath the gate, I can feel the sunny day. There's a joyful girl dancing in my head. I am beneath the gate. It was late last night when I finally got to sleep. I could feel the thrill of the beginning. It was late last night, early morning, for a love that had just been born from the shadow, from the darkness and the doubt. I am beneath the gate. I can feel the sunny day. There's a joyful girl dancing in my head. I am beneath the gate. Was it meant to be, or was it just blind luck? What drew her to me in the beginning? It was meant to be. I did not believe in love.
Извини, пожалуйста!